Hi, I'm Demis with Demis Products Surface Appeal. I just got back from Lowe's and I'm here to show you how to make this awesome Halloween sign that you can personalize. Okay, so I'm at my workstation and I have everything I need in this packaging. You can see I have stencils, I have an applicator, and I have some paint. The only thing that I may need are some scissors, just in case I need to trim down the stencil, a pencil to lay out my name, just to ensure the spacing's correct, and some paper towels and water, because I am going to be working with paint. Let's get started. First, I'm going to lay out my supplies and trim down my stencils. Next, I'll adjust the spacing of the name. Then I'll lightly trace the letters. Now I'll stir the paint gently but thoroughly. I'll take a little bit of paint with the applicator and dab it against the plastic until there's only a little paint left on the sponge. Next, I'll lightly dab my sponge against the stencil. The coverage will build as I continue. After I'm finished with each letter, I carefully lift up the stencil. And I'm all done. Once the paint is dry, it's ready to display.